So hi there, I'm back with the unboxing for Casper Weightless Cotton Duvet cover. Here's the box, here's the tool, and let's open it. So I bought this, it was on sale for the beginning of the year, 50%, so $48 Canadian. That's half the price it's supposed to be. That's a beauty of a knife. So decided to try it. I've ordered the sheets that go with it, but did not came in today. So put this back for security reason. Never know what can happen with a knife. So you go. Okay. Bye bye the box. Okay. It's very small, as you can see. So the weightless duvet cover. Hybrid weave, maximizing breathability for lightweight comfort. Lightweight and soft, natural, wrinkle resistant, 100% long staple cotton for the queen size. So it's in the blue color. And you have 100 days, this is from Casper, 100 days to try it out. If you don't like it, you can send it back. So pretty nice. A lot of companies do that on the internet for beddings, mattress and all. So that's the duvet cover. Ooh. So there's a little carrying case. Soft and smooth and dreamy. So you can see the little case, the little button down. See if that thing is easy to open. I want to tear it out right away. So a bit unpleasant to open. I got it. To be careful. You've got this attached to it now, so you can see the color. It's a beautiful blue color. Okay. Struggling here. Okay, there you go. Little carton, fold it up. Oh, it's soft. I like the feel. If the sheets are as soft as the duvet cover, I'm going to love the sheets. So let's see about the size, because I have on my duvet cover now, it's from IKEA, and as you can see, it's a little bit short, even if it's for a queen size. And I think it works with a zipper for the way you're going to enter the duvet cover in it. Okay, let's spread it on the one I have for now and see what it looks like. It's very soft and light. Give me some tingling sensation just to touch and feel the material. Very nice. It's longer than the one from IKEA, so as you can see, it's going to be better. Just that my duvet that I have is from IKEA and it is not long, so there will be a disparity, but that's okay. Oh, I don't know what you think about the color. But there were about 2 colors that were left because it's a 50% sale. But I think I'm glad to have chosen the blue one. Going to be a nice addition. So now I'm going to put my cover, my duvet into my duvet cover. Let's see how that goes. So now it's on. It's not fitting quite perfectly. So that was the unboxing of the Casper duvet cover, the weightless duvet cover. Soft, smooth and dreamy. Full queen duvet cover, 88 by 92 inch. Machine wash cold on a gentle cycle with light color. Use non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry low. 360 thread count. Hidden opening offer easy access to the securing snap in each corner. Ah, I don't know what that is. So there's the risk-free politic here. I'm gonna read it. Risk-free trial. Sleep on it, lounge on it, dream on it. If you don't love your Casper product, we'll give you a full refund. Learn more about your trial, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to be sleeping in it. For now, I like the color. Super soft and lightweight, like they said. I will have the sheets soon coming, the same sheet. So I will be testing them. So thank you for listening for this unboxing. And see you later, alligator. Goodbye.